Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching another video. Here we go. These are mine. These are a personal pair. It was a birthday gift. This one I gifted to myself. And I'm gonna show a couple of things I pull off with this. Maybe do a whole complete look. I'm not gonna put anything on. I'm not gonna do any on feet because I'm not gonna wear them, and I feel like when I put the fit on it'll be best. Maybe I'll upload a video with that quick fit or do a short with it. Box design. Come on, come on, look at this. This is amazing. I'm not a big fan of New Balance, but again though, it's been something I've been getting more into and appreciating more, and these collabs are just keep on doing more. So this is a Joe Freshgoods logo, JFG. He's from Chicago, and this is here, made for us. And here it is, size 10, shows Joe Freshgoods. So get it. These I ended up getting from Goat. I couldn't get them, it was insane to get them. There's a lot of detail with this one, so I'm gonna go into it. So over here it says, shh, be quiet, our imaginations are speaking. I can relate to that, Joe Freshgoods. If I'm correct, this goes along with what's the inside voices. Best way to translate it or explain it with the inside voices, it's basically yeah, one second, I forgot the other one too. So over here you have it embroidered, inside voices. You have this clear plastic New Balance. This is a new silhouette, which is the 9060. I love this color. There's something about it. This even pops out. Has, yeah, I mean, this is a fire sneaker. I don't know. This is an amazing sneaker. You have the New Balance logo over here. You have that. In the insole, you have the Joe Freshgoods. Joe Freshgoods up here too. This is like a nylon over here. There's a lot of details. You have this foam, and under the outsole you have this interesting look to it. You know, when you look at the sneaker from above, you don't see that. So, you know, probably the least attractive part of the whole thing is the actual outsole, but hey, it's New Balance does their thing, and quality. And here we go, look at this. You have like this quilt look in the inside. There's a lot of details that went into these. The pink laces you can do. You can even do these blue ones, which are very tempting. The white ones I would not do. It's either those or the blue. The blue hits to a certain degree though. You see that here. It can go well because you have this pattern here, and it matches of course with this, and then of course the tag, the 9060. So I'm going to show what I did in going over the top with the look I put together. I wore it for a dinner. I didn't have the sneakers, which wasn't a cool thing at that time. I'm going to show what I have. So first, I did end up getting the Joe Freshgoods cap. This is a Mitchell & Ness, which I think goes well with this. If you look at it, it has a hint of the pink over here. You have this in the back. You have Joe, and it says Mitchell & Ness. Maybe I did go over the top, maybe not. And then over here, Southside Series. Again, this is basically, he's a White Sox fan, so I did that. So that's kind of one thing to the look. Then this is the one that I'm trying to see how to pull off, but this actually would go very well, which is shorts. Let me move this a little bit. See, I have these shorts over here, which will hit with the sneakers. Let me show the above part. And this is all stitched in, so you have this pink on pink with this light, and then in the pinstripes, it actually says Mitchell & Ness, and closely, I could see, you can do closer, closer. It has Joe Freshgoods on it. See that? Not sure how much that can really, how legible that really is, but hopefully it is. So you have that. Then over here we have the patch over here, Joe Freshgoods. Did I do a full fit? Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, between this, do a white shirt. That summer look is pretty insane. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. I'm very excited about these. I think I would have to wear them on the right occasion for these. I believe these have some 3M on the New Balance logo. That's what it looks like. I see some reflection on there. Maybe. It looks like it. Yeah, I think it is, because over here I see the reflection when I move and see it at different angles in the light. These are very, very nice. Can't go wrong with these. Again, yeah, between that was the look I put together. These sneakers. I actually ended up getting the shorts on sale, so it worked out. And then have that over here. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe. Check out my Instagram, EricG2477. On Twitter, EricG2477. Subscribe, leave comments, let me know what you think about the look I put together there. I don't really do looks together like that. I just thought of it, and yeah, there was a shirt I have, but unfortunately I have it away right now. But it was a gallery department, which I think would go well with the colors here, which makes it complements everything that goes along with it. Yeah, and that's basically it. I'll see you guys. Take it easy.